Let me give you guys a quick room tour. So this is the room. This is our room. This is the first bed. There's nobody here. This person here has been discharged yesterday. This is the table for eating, in case you want to eat on the table. This is the wash and basin. These are the wardrobe. 3 wardrobe. This one is mine. Here is mine. This is my bed. My bed is in a mess right now. This is the bed for the other woman, the pregnant woman. That's baby boy right there. This is my space. This is the seat for baby boy because we are going home today. This is the changing table, diaper, the changing mat. Yeah. Baby boy is awake. So let me take you guys to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. The wash and basin. This thing is very, very dirty. The other woman brought it out, hoping that the cleaner will see it and clean it up, but she still left it like that. Since yesterday, she left it like that. Yeah, this is the mirror. I'm doing a video. This is the wash to wash your bum. This is the toilet, and this is the bathroom. You can see it's not that clean. Don't touch anything. No, this is the bathroom. Don't touch. So this is the bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks like. So this is it. The other room where I stayed, the first room I stayed, the room was so clean. But for this one, is a no. This one is a no. Good job, Mama. The guests are here. They came to pick us up, but they've not yet dismissed baby boy. They are still waiting for them to come and dismiss him. For me, I'm done. But baby boy is still here to be dismissed. Oh, baby boy is awake. So this is a quick tour of our room, the room we stayed. It's not a private room, so anything, you can opt for anything. I can't wait to go home. I'm really tired of this place. I really, really do want to go home now. I just hope that they will dismiss us on time. Take it. You want to pee? Oh yeah, come.